Okay, so today I was on TikTok and had the random idea to do another sketchbook tour. So I guess I'm going to be showing you guys all my work from last year. I've got a lot of sketchbooks, but I don't know why I think there's a good time to show all of you guys my work from last year. So let's just jump into it.
Money work. El mundo quiere dinero.
Okay, so to start off with, I'm gonna show you guys this crazy sketchbook where I literally just drew characters and some doodles and posted them on my Instagram last year. In total, this sketchbook has around 60 pages, but in this video, I'm not gonna show you guys all of them because that'll be hella long.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Okay, right now it is time to move on to my next sketchbook. Now, this is my biggest sketchbook and literally my favorite one because I only draw doodles in it. And since there are a lot of pages still left to draw, make sure to follow my Instagram because I'm going to be finishing this sketchbook in this year.
Cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately. Not giving up, I'm not ready yet. I'm falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure. doesn't
brothers.
seem like me, making it look like I'm fine.